My dear brothers and sisters, we celebrate this Mass, votive Mass, in commemoration of our beloved dead. And remembering our beloved dead has become part of our culture. But let us also have a reflection so that what is part of our culture be truly understood and appreciated in the context of our faith. Our celebration, first and foremost, is a celebration of our faith. Ito po yung pagpapakita ng ating pananampalataya. Because our church teaches us that the dead person or a person when he dies or she dies cannot do anything for himself or herself. Kapag namatay daw po yung tao, wala na po siyang pwedeng gawin para sa kanyang sarili. Haharap na po siya sa Panginoon. And so, it is in this context that we see the purpose of praying for them, offering prayers for them. Because our prayers will be their aid as they continue the so-called purification process. Kasi alam naman po natin habang tayo ay nabubuhay, nakakagawa tayo ng mga kasalanan, mga pagkukulang. And so, what we are doing in this Mass and in our prayers has a big impact on the salvation of our loved ones. So this is a celebration of faith. Secondly, it is also a celebration of hope. Because we know in our lives, we are uncertain. Sigurado ba tayo? That's why we continue to pray, asking prayers to our beloved dead. But our gospel for today reminds us that in Jesus we have something to hope for. Because He says, I will go before you and prepare a place for you. Not only that, if I go and prepare a place for you, I will come again and take you with me, so that where I am, you also may be. And so this is only the prayer of Jesus, that we will always be with Him. And this act of hope is not passive, naghihintay lang, umaasa, kundi sinasamahan din natin ng ating paggawa. Celebration of faith, celebration of hope, finally, it is a celebration of love, pagmamahal. Why? Because remembrance, I believe, is the best expression of love. Sabi nga nila, pag namatay na yung mahal natin sa buhay, hindi na natin sila kasama. Wala na. No? Pero may mas masakit pa daw pala sa pagkawala. At yun yung nakalimutan. And so, my dear brothers and sisters, I invite you to reflect that there are two kinds of, sabihin nating, losing or pagkawala. Yung una is yung physical. Tulad ng mga mahal nating yumao. Physically, hindi na natin sila kasama. Kasama natin dati, ngayon hindi na. Physically, nawala sila. Pero yung pangalawang klase ng pagkawala is the loss of meaning, the loss of value, the loss of importance. Paano nangyayari ito? Tingnan nyo sa inyong mga pamilya. Tingnan nyo sa inyong mga kaibigan. Nandyan lang yung ating mga mahal sa buhay. Nandyan lang yung ating mga magulang. But we lost the value and appreciation for them. And so remembering our loved ones reminds us also that we are alive and we can do something. And so let us not waste this gift of life. Let us express love. Let us show love. Let us open ourselves to forgiveness. And finally, let us live at the present prayer, work, and thanksgiving. Amen. Please rise.